figure shows, take down this, the figure shows experimental setup. The figure shows experimental setup of a meter bridge. Meter bridge. When the two unknown resistances X and Y are inserted, when the two unknown resistances X and Y are inserted, the null point D, the null point D is obtained 40 centimeter from E. When a resistance of 10 ohm is connected, when a resistance of 10 ohm when a resistance of 10 ohm is connected, when a resistance of 10 ohm is connected in series with X, the null point shifts by 10 centimeter. The null point shifts by 10 centimeter. Find the position of the null point. Find the position of the null point when the 10 ohm resistance, when the 10 ohm resistance instead connected in series with resistance Y. Determine the values of resistances X and Y. Just take down the setup. This is the setup. We have X and Y. Point A, point C, point B here. To this we are connecting to the galvanometer, and then we have point D. We have a supply. The figure shows, what shows it here, it is, sorry, here should be figure shows. Figure shows experimental setup of a meter bridge. When the two unknown resistances X and Y are inserted, the null point D is obtained 40 cm from A. Initially, the null point is obtained at 40 cm. Then, when a resistance of 10 ohm is connected in series with X, here instead of S, we make it as X plus 10. The null point shifts by 10 cm. So, it shifts. That is, it will become, initially it was 10 cm, but now it shifts by 10 cm. Find the position of null point when the 10 ohm resistance instead connected in series with resistance Y. Now remove 10 ohm and connect in series with Y. You have to find out where exactly you are getting the null point. Then determine the values of X and Y. Here we have three conditions. We will take one by one, and we will try to find out the value of X and Y, and also the null point when 10 ohm is connected in series with Y. So in the beginning, the case 1, that is when X and Y are connected, by applying the condition for balanced Wheatstone bridge, we get X by Y is equal to L divided by, this is L, the remaining will be 100 minus L. 100 minus L. So L is the length of the null point from E. Now in case 1, that is the case when X and Y are connected, we have L as 40 cm from A. L is 40 cm. Therefore, X by Y, X divided by Y is 40 divided by 100 minus 40. 40 divided by 100 minus 40, which is equal to 40 by 60, or X by Y is equal to 2 by 3, or X is equal to 2 by 3 Y. Take this as equation number 1. X is 2 by 3 Y. Now case 2, when a resistance of 10 ohm is connected in series with X. I have divided the question into 3 cases. I took the case 1 as L is 40 cm. In case 2, I am taking 10 ohm in series with X. (10 ohm) is connected in series with X. 10 ohm is connected in series with X. Now in this case, by applying the balance condition, and we get x plus 10 by y. And also in the question it is given that the null points shift by 10 centimeter. So in this case L becomes 40 plus 10. When 10 ohm is connected in series with x, null point shifts by 10 centimeter. Therefore in this case L is equal to 40 plus 10. L is equal to 40 plus 10 equal to 50 centimeter. So now x plus 10 divided by y is equal to 50 divided by 50, 100 minus 50, which is equal to 1, or x plus 10 equal to y. Or from this I can write y minus x equal to 10. Let us take this as equation number 2. Now we have from equation 1 x is 2 by 3 y. So substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Equation 1 in equation 2. We get y minus x. X is what? 2 by 3 y. Y minus 2 by 3 y equal to 10, or this is 1 minus 2 by 3 is 1 by 3 y equal to 10, or y is 30 ohm. Y is 30 ohm. Now x is 2 by 3 y, which is equal to 2 by 3 into 2 by 3 y, 2 by 3 into 30, or equal to 20 ohm. Now we found the values of x and y. X is 20 ohm and y is 30 ohm. Now the last case, case 3. When 10 ohm is connected in series with y, 10 ohm connected in series with y. Connected in series with y. So let the null point is obtained at a distance L. Let the null point occurs at a distance L centimeter from A. Then we have x. Now apply the balance condition. So x divided by 10 plus y, or x divided by y plus 10 equal to L divided by 100 minus L, or 20 divided by y is 30, 30 plus 10 equal to L divided by 100 minus L, or 20 by 40 equal to L divided by 100 minus L. Half is equal to L divided by 100 minus L, or 100 minus L equal to 2L, or 100 is equal to 3L, which implies L is 100 divided by 3, or it is 33.33. Null point is obtained at a distance 33.33 centimeter from A. When 10 ohm is connected in series with Y, when 10 ohm is connected in series with Y, null point is obtained at a distance 33.33 centimeter from A. When terminum is connected in series with Y, null point is obtained at a distance 33.33 centimeter from A.